Hello, ladies, and welcome to today's Behind the Scenes. Today, we are here with a beautiful box from Noen.
Welcome, lovelies. Well, it's a big box. It's Noen. I'm excited. I love the brand that we started to carry last year, I can say.
Yeah.
And very well received. I can't wait.
Designed in Denmark. It's a beautiful Scandinavian collection.
Beautiful designs and beautiful fabrics.
Very cool. But I was going to say, what about our designs here? These are both Lousje Bean, actually. And the dress, Lousje's and all. Listen,
I am all Lousje Bean. Your skirt is
Polo Tricot.
Yeah.
And then the little cutie Sharpie vest from Lousje.
So cute. Honest to goodness.
I love it.
Yeah.
I just wanted to show you a different way to wear it with a skirt. It's so nice. You can just, it's built.
Yeah, I know. The length is perfect.
And then
the
artsy here we did the tactile pocket.
Yeah. And top stitched with light gray, right?
Yeah. Beautiful cotton.
Yeah. Beautiful zipper.
Yeah, really cute zipper with a horse. It takes it over.
No.
Favorite part. Oh my goodness.
And functional pockets because they're like this, you think, it's
Stuff will fly.
Yeah.
We did so.
a little top stitch there. Yeah.
And c'est moi, easy peasy.
Yeah. 3/4.
3/4. Oh my goodness. I love 3/4 ladies, and me and Lousje we're always battling for she wants the full length. I understand it for the mesh top, but I just find it a little more feminine, the 3/4.
It looks very nice the way you're wearing it.
But it is cold in the winter.
And you're always cold, so, Yeah.
Then we just get our little sleeveys and which she should get.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. There.
Yeah, it's happening.
We need to break more sleeveys.
The weather has been too nice, but the weather forecast looks great. So, but anyway, it will happen, lovelies. It will.
Yeah, absolutely.
And then I'm very fast, so I can whip them out,
We cut and we should do a little video of yourself.
Yeah, we were asked, I think, one of the lovelies.
Okay.
I'll
do a little vlog on that.
I still need to organize the room a little bit more, Yeah.
Too bad we couldn't get a table in there.
I know.
Finger table.
I know.
We sold our cutting. We got rid of our cutting table.
Yeah.
Did all the rent on this because we couldn't house it anymore, ladies. The shop is busting.
Oh my goodness, is it ever? Is it ever? Boxes and boxes of new excitement comes in daily.
Yeah. Awesome.
And Colleen is like, oh no. She doesn't know where to put it all, but
it's all good.
It's all good. But my outfit?
I know. Let's talk about you.
So, Lousje and Bean tank vest, Harriet sweater in a new fabric.
The frost is so beautiful.
Yeah,
Color.
It's a really nice print and a nice color. And of course, the design is fabulous. It's a free size, right? And it's nice and long.
Yeah.
And the fabric is not too heavy, so it just flows.
On the side.
And the slits,
slits on the side, nice detail.
And bonus, look at this lovely little scarf. And, I was thinking you could easily wear this with your winter coat too. Doesn't have to go just with the Harriet sweater, you can wear it this way too. It's cute.
Yeah.
And it's a nice feel. The fabric is nice. It's a poly blend.
Yeah.
But it's very soft.
And then
necklace, Siriglio. Oh, this is a set. And then the earrings too.
Yeah, beautiful.
So, yeah. Okay, I can't wait.
I have Siriglio too. Look at, I just put the...
Oh.
It's kind of a set too.
Oh, beautiful.
Oh, my favorite.
Mine too.
And the price point.
I always talk about it. I can't believe it,
Yeah.
That's such a statement piece.
And $25 for the earring.
Yeah.
It's beautiful. It's just got that nice little shine.
Yeah.
Pop. All right. Well,
let's go
to the new box and show you what is coming into the boutique today from Noen's.
Oh.
All right.
All right. Oh.
Typical sweaters. These are gorgeous.
Wow, Tessa, this is gorgeous.
Feel the fabric too. They caught 95 cotton with 5% cotton.
Yeah.
It's beautiful.
So beautiful.
Lightly jacket and plover fabric, ladies.
Yeah.
And then it's got the red knit here. Look at that. Beautiful.
And that cute little detail on the side.
I know how it...
And that will just hang. Yeah.
pocket.
Yeah.
So we did this in the gray, which is a beautiful staple color.
Beautiful.
Two more colors, two more fun colors. You're going to be so excited. But first, I'm going to show you this piece that Lousje.
I love a white shirt. Lovely. Just love.
And this one is Dynamite.
Oh, is it ever darling?
Fabric is amazing. It's got stretching it, a little 5%.
Oh, yeah. I can, yeah.
And
oh, beautiful.
a little, look at the side.
So cute.
It's just going to fall so nicely on.
And the back?
And the back, too. Amazing little.
Oh, yeah.
Into there.
Great detail.
Yeah.
Great coming from the yoke. Yeah, it's crisp. You can just tell by looking at it. So you put your color up, which we always do, right, lovely? And it will just stay. Yeah, and nice cuffs. Beautiful.
Yeah.
Oh, my.
And you could put the sweater
over top.
Yeah. I also have another sweater here, ladies. This one is so exciting. Look at how artsy that is.
Oh, my.
On the bottom.
Oh, that is with all these little peekaboos. Oh, these pointies.
A seam.
Lovely. Lovely.
The arms are a little bit 3/4.
Yeah.
I know that's weird for a sweater, but it is nice. It hangs, and then you wear the white shirt under.
Think about the mesh tops.
The mesh tops, too. It's all about these layers.
Yeah.
It's texture.
Then a nice scarf, a beautiful necklace. Oh,
wonderful.
Goodness.
And look at the pocket detail, like simplicity at its best. It's so nice to curate these outfits for you. We're going to style them up for you tomorrow.
Yeah.
And there's some other goodies in here. I'm going to show you the other colors of the sweaters now because you are going to be so excited that I brought some color in.
Bring it on.
Look at this beautiful green color.
Whoa.
Dynamite.
Tessa, it's gorgeous.
I know.
Beautiful.
It's so beautiful.
With a black pant over the black tank dress.
Yeah, over the tank dress.
Like endless, right? Little pencil skirt with tights and boots.
Yeah, and let me just see how the sizing is, ladies.
Yeah.
So this is a size small. So it's small to double X, I believe.
Okay.
So me and Lousje would both be in the small in that.
Yeah.
And then the last color. Oh, ready?
Oh, my. Oh.
Look at this.
Yeah. This is your color. It's my color too, actually. Love. Beautiful.
And we can't wait to put them on for you.
Yeah, styling.
Yeah. So some bottoms here.
Oh, great.
This is amazing for this season. I'm so excited when I saw this on the rack. I was thinking I need to have one. But look at this layer. It is a denim barrel skirt.
Oh my God, Tessa. It's so cool.
Yeah.
Wow.
Stretch in the denim, so great.
Yeah.
And for sizing, ladies, they are, so because it's a European company, they have some of their items in size 34 to 48. So we have, this is a 36. And Lousje would be in a 36. I would squeeze into a 36, could go to the 38.
Love. Little slit in the front here for walking, right?
Pretty and feminine.
Oh, back pocket.
Pockets on the back.
It is literally a barrel skirt. You're right.
The barrel jeans are in right now.
Yeah.
And
that's what it's all about. Love.
I'm going to put that sweater over.
Yeah.
And then for Lousje bottoms, because we always have to have one for styling to give you different ideas. We have a beautiful barrel.
Oh my goodness. A ponte pant.
So instead of denim jeans, we got
with those sweaters. Oh my.
I know. And the black sweater, white shirt.
Oh yeah.
Like, what an outfit.
What an outfit.
And these pockets are great.
Yeah.
Little side slit there.
Yeah.
And darts.
Yeah, lots of darts, for the barrel, right? Yeah.
Yeah.
Amazing.
Poncy fabric too, lady.
A nice waist too. Very nice. Yeah. Beautiful.
That's gonna just
little elastic. This white.
Yeah.
Perfect. And
so, well, they had some nice basics with Noen. Beautiful viscose spandex fabrics. So I decided to grab these cuties because I think you're going to love them. Turtlenecks. So these are here.
Whoa.
And I just want to show you the way, because I know you don't love the same turtlenecks because you say they
turkey neck is really pronounced.
As she's like, and your turkey neck.
Our turkey neck.
No, I'm joking. Oh my gosh, we're so bad, ladies. We're so bad. Okay, here is the neck hole. So it's like you're gonna have some room here.
Yeah, beautiful color.
Oh, fabric.
Oh, wow. Tessa, this fabric feels amazing.
I know.
Yeah.
So layer, ladies. You can layer it under for warmth,
Yeah.
or you can wear it on its own.
And I feel this fabric is not going to cling to your body and show everything. No? Okay, here we go again.
Sorry, show my
I was going to say.
How do we cut all this out?
Oh,
Hey, look at this red, though.
oh
Gorgeous red.
It's
like blue red.
yeah, blue red.
Verge of
Yeah.
crossing over to, but it is fabulous.
It's gorgeous. I like the length too, Tessa.
I know.
It's a little longer, eh?
Beautiful. An amazing price point, too.
Really?
Yeah. And also, they're sized. So the 36 to
48.
8 or 46, I believe.
Yeah.
And here's a
Beautiful.
gray, like beautiful.
Beautiful basic gray. How can you go wrong? I think you would want one almost in every color because think about this. You would like this underneath that.
Yeah, you're all.
Easy. I'm so surprised you didn't get a black one.
I didn't get a black.
Well, how come they didn't have black?
No, they had black. I don't know. I gotta be careful.
Wow. I'm so surprised.
I just have some color. Well, listen. Okay, here you go. Here's my reasoning. We have one more piece to reason
Oh.
in the box here.
Okay.
This is gonna go over that.
All of these.
And now you'll see the black. Here comes the black, lady. This is a shawl. I could not resist getting this. This is absolutely fabulous. It's like, how do you show it on the video? But here we go. So
What?
it's just this.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah, break it over the front.
There's no sleeves.
No.
It's a cape.
Sides. It's a cape. Sorry, yeah, cape.
Oh, and look at this.
In the bottom part, and the knit is like,
Oh, Tessa, it's so amazing.
yeah, it's so amazing.
Over the white shirt.
Over the white shirt.
Oh, for anything, really.
Lovelies that don't wear wool. There's 25% wool.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, but it's not the majority, so.
Mohair. That's what I feel.
Yeah.
25% mohair.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, it's absolutely stunning. I can't wait to show it on for you lovelies. But there's a rhyme to our reason here with this box. We're going to curate styles for you tomorrow.
Yeah.
Show you how you can put these pieces together.
What a great wardrobe this is.
I know.
All these pieces go together.
I know. And that's what we love to do for you lovelies, is just
Exactly.
show you what we think is looking fabulous.
Exactly.
You'll
You're
embrace
great.
it and enjoy it. Or get ideas, tips. You probably have your own turtleneck.
Of course. Of course.
Great jeans.
Yes.
You can put this wrap over. Stunning.
Now, tell me one thing. Is this already in your closet?
No.
Oh, I'm surprised. I don't know. I don't know.
You know, ladies. It fits like, it's nice and fitted on top, and then it barrels out. Marlene, you're going to love this skirt.
Yeah, the turtleneck.
Yeah.
Right?
Oh, yeah. And then a nice little top, or, I'm going to show it with the bigger sweater too.
That skirt also with our boxy tops.
Yeah. Absolutely fabulous.
Oh my goodness. We can go on and on.
I know.
Yeah. I hope you're as excited as we are. I can't wait till we style.
Dial it up tomorrow. Watch it for us. We'll be here. And please hit a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video.
And as always, keep on smiling.